Here is Superbox football. This is a five box case. Break 41 with the free super pack. 10:39 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in that break. Nice. All right. So you guys got your free super pack over here as well. So here we go. There it went. Last spot. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck to you. It's that touchdown super box. Good luck to you guys. Here we go. Right out of the gates. I like it. Norm Sneed. Hey, Norm. And then, there you go. That's a good way to start things off. Little Tannehill, 32 out of 70. Going to JB Woods, up to no good. That ain't bad. So maybe JB was in there trading around, buying too many spots. He got confused. He doesn't know what's going on. I'm just joking, buddy. We'll get it tracked down. Like I said, my web developers have every single click anyone has ever made on this website. So we'll get it figured out. So not a bad way to start, though. Dan Reeves. Then you got Alan Bradford for the Seahawks. Lance Allworth for those Chargers, old school. And then the Andy Luck Gem Mint 10 going to D-Bone. There you go, buddy. Just one of the tops kickoffs. Nothing too wild there. Next little Pop-Tart. Woo! I like it. Look at this. Schmuffalo Bills. You're going to get a... is that Robert? Yeah, that's Robert Woods. He's always up to no good. Just signing weird stuff. Shirley B. So it's going to be Circle the Wagon. 23 out of 36. Yeah, no problem, JB. Like I said, man, we'll get it figured out, buddy. And then Bill Cower. Anybody want to give me a... look at Bill Cower. Where'd all that hair come from, Bill? Where does this go? Anybody want to give me a heads up? AD, you want to give me a little check? So a little helmet there, a little helmet-to-helmet action going to Shirley B. And then we've seen this guy a couple times, Maraiki. Stafford, I still think he's a beast. He throws, well, he does just huck the ball up nonstop, but that's going to OHM, man. Good to see him back. Little Matty Stafford out of playbook. And that, my friends, will be short print. 1 out of 10. Hey, man, come on. I like this too. Dang on, man. This is from 2001 Contenders. James Brown. Legendary Contenders. Going to Cleveland. Look at Shirley B doing a little bit of work here. Come on, dude. Hey, that's a pretty solid case. This Jimmy Brown's nice. I'm a big fan of old Contenders autos, so that's pretty solid. All right. Here comes the super pack hit for you. Uh-oh. Oh, look at these freebies. All day long, going to Minnetonka. Look at D-Bone getting that Cordell Patterson 13 out of 50. Dang, man. That's an on-card, too. I don't care if it is Topps Platinum. That's a freebie. There you go, DB. Nice. Hey, that's not a bad little little mini case there. Or a little case. So let me go and save that one.